头来芬兰，伫芬兰北部的拉普兰，这除了是耶诞老人的故乡，另外伫当地阁有一款新型的饭店，就藏伫树林内底，是利用窗仔反光的原理，互规间房间袂输是米伫内底共款。观光客是小济来看，即马逐工拢客满。
在拿破仑首府罗瓦涅米郊外的这个树林内面，有一间看起来清气阁简单的玻璃厝，四面反光的落地窗啊，照出随风伫摇的树影，和这间旅店是真正掩心伫个树林内，游客踮伫个温暖阁现代化的室内，就会当把这规片自然美景拢总欣赏到。
You can see the forest here, and nobody can walk in front of your window, so you can really enjoy the silence, enjoy the view.
开这间旅店的主人是一对真爱大自然的翁仔某，因为着互旅馆和大自然变做一体，是开真侪功夫。
Our first idea was to make wooden logs houses, and we did the first version of prototype, and we saw that it's not melting enough, so we decided that we have to really melt them in and increase the amount of trees by reflection, not decreasing them by the cutting around.
除了含窗仔外的美景真小我，这个旅店内面酒吧含三温暖这设施拢总有，甚至伫户外的顶斗阁会当浸温泉，而且这离罗瓦涅米市中心敢若10分钟的车程，旅客只要一个就会当离开城市来遮放松。
But anyway, our main guests are nature lovers, those who want to stay in the nature, but still not far from civilization, so they can have all the services and facilities, and also not ready to give up of the luxury.
这间旅店因为安尼是请真侪网青来遮打卡，不管是寒天还是热天，会使讲逐工拢客满，变做罗瓦涅米另外一种特别的景点。公司新闻张惠敏编译。